In a quiet city corner, a janitor named Myra discovers her uncanny talent for replaying the sounds of the streets from memory after cleaning shifts. She begins recording patterns of footsteps, distant sirens, and laughing children, stitching them into a living map that only she can hear. Her discovery changes her life as she crafts soundscapes that revive forgotten corners, bringing neighbors together at improvised listening events. Experts explain how memory, pattern recognition, and deliberate practice can turn ordinary routine into a tool for community healing. Myra's story invites viewers to notice hidden talents in daily life.